Descartes.
It's Descartes. Descartes? Descartes. Maybe it's Descartes.
Is it Descartes?
Descartes.
Or
Descartes.
something else?
Where's the salt?
There's no way I'm wrong on Descartes.
No, I'm not. You're not wrong. You're just pronouncing it funny.
There's no way you're right. You're not wrong.
You're just an ass.
You're not wrong, Johnny. You're just an asshole. Or Walter. Damn it.
Walter.
It's Walter.
I was gonna say, am I getting it wrong?
They need, Vendetta says they needed a pirate in Dead by Daylight because he'd be hooking people for days.
That's a good one. That's a good one.
Buc-ee's is a Texas company, says Neath in the house.
Okay.
They're amazing. Dude, why can't we get some fucking Buc-ee's on the West Coast?
Buc-ee's, please.
Sean Luke? Nope. It's a Texas gas station known for their food and jerky my sister bought for me.
Ooh,
Oh my god.
Nice.
Vendetta. Bulgogi, literally fire meat, is a gooey made of thin, marinated slices of beef.
Wait, where is it?
Grilled on.
Bulgogi,
Barbecue?
because it's fire meat, is because it's grilled. The gui, which is meat, or the style of meat, is marinated slices of beef or pork grilled on a barbecue
The
or in a
fuck is
stovetop
gui?
grill. Gui is the meat. Bulgogi is the type of meat. Teji means pig, so Teji
So,
bulgogi.
gui as in bulgogi.
No, it's spelled differently. Gui and gi are spelled differently.
Is gui a Korean word?
Yeah. I can't teach you Korean right now, but I'll explain it later.
Made of thin marinated
I can
slices
write
of
it in
beef
Korean
or
if you
pork,
guys want.
Grilled on a barbecue or on a stove cook. Yeah, here's the deal. I don't know of anything that's like bulgogi because of how thin it is sliced. Like, imagine the closest thing
Deli
to
meat.
it
Roast beef.
is
Sliced
so
roast beef.
yeah. Cold cuts, sliced.
Slightly bigger than.
That's closer. I was gonna say cooked though, like grilled in front of you. Like the closest thing for me is like carne asada or something where it's like thinly cut skirt
Similar.
steak.
Totally similar.
It's not though. Like
Different but similar.
think about if you've had a skirt steak or carne asada style fucking steak. It's like a quarter.
How are we gonna plate this?
It's a quarter thickness. It's 1/4 of that thickness. It's so fucking thick. Bulgogi is so good.
How are we gonna plate this?
On a plate with a dipping. Actually, no dipping sauce needed.
Do you want cilantro?
I'm good.
You
I'll
just-
take some green onions actually, or cilantro. Port's digging the pirate accent, Malin. Yar.
Yar.
Ports. Wait. Yeah. So I think the answer to the can you have shrimp bulgogi? I think the answer is no.
No.
Port's saying it wasn't actually
Shrimp
that
is
bad,
called
though.
shrimp.
It was an episode when the Iron Chef China made and failed. The one in Iron Chef China made.
So
failed to
Iron
make it
Chef, there's different Iron Chefs in the Japan one. There's like Italian Iron Chef. There's a Chinese Iron Chef. There's more. Yeah.
It was
So
made in Iron Chef China episode. Failed to make an ice cream from milt, which is a seminal fluid of male fish. Wow. So I just renamed it as Creamy Fish Cum Ice Cream.
that's funny. You got banned for that. I guess that's probably a family-friendly stream.
Yeah.
And you're not allowed to. But any other stream would have laughed hysterically.
That's amazing. And for that, I got permabanned. Loving the pirate accent. You got it. That's some funny shit. Vendetta! You might not be rolling on a day cart, but you might flip a golf cart.
That was a really good one. Green onions. Green onions.
I'd totally flip a golf cart if I was riding shotgun with Descartes. Kathy!
Yo!
Mary Todd says, I'm set. Now
Yay!
have a meat grinder. Oh, now I have a meat grinder, meat slicer, bread maker, French bread pans, and a ton of food, merc, and stuff. Let's
Ready.
go.
Oh, I'm excited.
Laura, why did nobody want to play cards with the pirate?
I don't know why.
Because he was standing on the deck.
Ah! That's pretty funny.
He's saying, okay, Buc-ee's, imagine Walmart-sized gas station convenience store.
Ooh.
Shut the fuck up. With with jerky and sausage deli. Walmart-sized gas station / convenience store. That's nuts, dude. Frank's saying, wait,
Wait!
you've never had anything like that? Mal, we need shabu shabu.
Shabu shabu!
What exactly is shabu shabu?
It's a type of cooking. Shabu